Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stew buldak. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 1 package of Samyang buldak hot chicken flavor ramen stew type. Also, prepare about 2 cups of water, along with fresh vegetables like green onions and mushrooms. Don't forget your favorite protein, perhaps a soft-boiled egg or some sliced chicken, to make your stew even more satisfying. Now, let's start cooking. Begin by bringing 2 cups of water to a rolling boil in a small pot. Once boiling, carefully open the liquid sauce packet from your Samyang ramen and add it to the water. Stir thoroughly to ensure the spicy sauce is fully dissolved and evenly distributed, creating a flavorful base for your stew. Then, gently place the ramen noodles into the simmering broth. Continue cooking the noodles for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until they reach your desired tenderness. Next, stir in the dried flake packet that comes with the ramen. This is also the perfect time to add any extra vegetables, such as sliced mushrooms or spinach, and your chosen protein. Let the stew simmer gently for another 1 to 2 minutes, allowing all the flavors to beautifully meld together. Your delicious stew buldak is now ready to enjoy. Carefully transfer the hot and aromatic stew into a serving bowl. For an extra touch, garnish it with some freshly chopped green onions or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. This adds both flavor and visual appeal. Serve it immediately and savor every spicy, comforting spoonful of your perfectly prepared homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.